A lot of you commented that I missed some major coins in the last video, so here we are with part 2. Another top 15 cryptos that you should absolutely have on your radar before 2026 kicks off. First on the list is HBAR. Hedera is an enterprise-grade network backed by some of the biggest companies in the world: Google, IBM, LG, Telecom, Ubisoft, and more. It's built for real-world tokenization, fast transactions, low fees, and corporate-scale applications. From supply chains and carbon credits to payments and digital identity, Hedera is one of the few networks actually being used by large organizations today. If tokenized real-world assets and enterprise blockchain adoption accelerate in 2026, HBAR is one of the top contenders in that narrative. Next is VeChain, one of the strongest real-world utility projects in crypto. VeChain focuses on supply chain tracking, sustainability, and enterprise adoption areas where blockchain can actually solve real problems. From product verification and anti-counterfeiting to carbon tracking and logistics, VeChain already works with major companies across multiple industries. If real-world blockchain adoption accelerates in 2026, VET is positioned as one of the leading platforms powering that shift. Next is IOTA, a project built for the future of IoT, automation, and DePIN. Instead of using a traditional blockchain, IOTA uses a DAG structure designed for high scalability, low fees, and machine-to-machine communication. It's already working on real-world pilots in smart cities, supply chain automation, and industrial IoT. If connected devices and decentralized infrastructure continue expanding, IOTA is one of the most uniquely positioned projects in this entire space. Our next pick is Quant, a project focused entirely on one thing: interoperability. Quant's Overledger technology is built to connect banks, enterprises, and entire blockchains, making it possible for different networks to communicate and share value seamlessly. It's one of the few crypto projects with deep ties to institutions, CBDC pilots, and government-level use cases. If blockchain adoption accelerates in the traditional finance world, QNT is positioned as one of the key infrastructure players bridging everything together. Continuing with SEI, a high-performance Layer 1 designed specifically for trading and high-speed applications. SEI uses parallel execution and optimized settlement to deliver extremely low latency, making it ideal for order book dexes, gaming, and social apps. With its growing ecosystem and strong focus on speed, SEI is positioning itself as one of the fastest Layer 1s heading into 2026. Next is Avalanche. AVAX is known for its fast finality and unique subnet architecture, which lets teams launch their own custom blockchains optimized for gaming, institutions, or high-performance DeFi. With major partnerships, strong developer activity, and growing institutional interest, Avalanche remains one of the most scalable and flexible Layer 1 ecosystems. If customized chains and enterprise-grade applications grow in 2026, AVAX is positioned to benefit in a big way. Up next is Near Protocol, one of the fastest-growing ecosystems in crypto. Near focuses on chain abstraction, making blockchain feel invisible so users can interact with apps without worrying about wallets or chains in the background. It's fast, scalable, and increasingly connected to the AI narrative through new integrations and developer tools. If user-friendly, high-performance apps take over in 2026, Near is one of the Layer 1's best positioned to lead that shift. Next is Optimism, one of the leading Layer 2 networks built on Ethereum. Optimism powers the superchain, a growing ecosystem that includes Coinbase's Base network and many other Layer 2s, all connected under the same framework. With strong developer activity, massive brand backing, and deep ties to Ethereum, OP is positioned as one of the core L2 tokens that could benefit the most in 2026. Now let's move to Sonic, the next-generation network built as the evolution of the Phantom ecosystem. Sonic is designed for extreme speed, very low fees, and high throughput, making it ideal for gaming, real-time applications, and high-performance DeFi. With a brand new architecture and a lot of hype behind its launch, Sonic brings Phantom into a faster and more scalable era. Next is Dogecoin, the king of retail-driven crypto. Every bull cycle, Doge proves it still has massive cultural power, fueled by memes, a huge global community, and mainstream recognition unlike any other altcoin. It may have started as a joke, but it consistently becomes one of the most traded assets during market peaks. If retail enthusiasm returns in 2026, Dogecoin is almost guaranteed to be part of the conversation. Next is Tron, one of the most widely used networks in the world for stablecoin transfers. TRX powers billions of dollars in USDT transactions every day, making it one of the most active blockchains in real usage, not just speculation. Its low fees, fast settlement, and huge adoption in emerging markets give Tron a unique position in the global crypto economy. If stablecoins continue to dominate on-chain activity, TRX remains one of the strongest utility-driven tokens heading into 2026. Continuing with Aave, one of the biggest and most trusted lending protocols in all of DeFi. Aave allows users to borrow, lend, and earn yield across multiple chains, making it a core building block of the decentralized finance ecosystem. With new upgrades, cross-chain features, and a long track record of security, Aave remains one of the top blue-chip DeFi tokens. Next is WorldCoin, one of the most talked about and controversial projects in crypto. WorldCoin combines digital identity, biometrics, and AI to verify real humans on the internet, something many platforms will need as AI-generated content explodes. With massive backing, global onboarding efforts, and strong ties to the AI narrative, WLD is positioned as a high-risk, high-potential project. Next is BNB, the backbone of the Binance ecosystem, still one of the largest and most influential platforms in crypto. BNB powers transactions, trading discounts, and countless dApps across Binance Chain, and it has historically been one of the strongest performers in every bull cycle. With millions of users and one of the biggest ecosystems in the space, BNB remains a major large-cap contender heading into 2026. If you want to know why I believe Bitcoin should be in every long-term portfolio, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming video on it. And before you go, do you agree with my picks? Let me know in the comments.